Hi, it's Jen Gilbert here. And to seek alternative wealth strategies or not? Now, that is the question in 2011. And to help you with that, I've devised a couple of questions that will at least give you some areas to think about as you consider the ways that you will continue to build your personal portfolio both now and hopefully well into the future. And I've got to say that if you're not asking these questions of yourself and possibly of your financial advisor, then what are you waiting for? Because after all, it's just a little bit of education. So to begin with, what is your current relationship with your financial advisor? Really think about this, because I know for me, even though my financial advisor was the financial advisor for the family for over 3 decades, I personally had very little communication with him unless I physically called him. Now, of course, I did hear from him about once a year to renew our agreement, but never did I receive newsletters. Never did he conduct educational webinars, hold conference calls. He never called to discuss the changes within the market or the economy or suggest repositioning some of my holdings to better position my overall portfolio for optimum wealth building strategies. So the way that it worked, probably like many people out there, I simply sent him a monthly check, he put it into my account, and then I trusted that he would manage my account appropriately. Next, does your financial advisor make suggestions for readjustments in your portfolio as the market changes, maybe for the better, maybe for the worst, or do they just let your money ride, so to speak, weathering whatever type of storm might be out there, hoping upon hoping that the averages will prevail? Now, I will tell you that in a falling market, there are some stocks, there are some investments that do very, very well. Do they let you know of what those opportunities are? Do they suggest for you to enter into those opportunities at the appropriate time? And likewise, there happen to be stocks and investments that do very well when the dollar is weak, just as it is right now. Does your financial advisor let you know of those specific opportunities? Next, what is your financial advisor's feelings on precious metals? And I'm talking about physical gold, physical silver, not paper, and probably the more important question is, do you have any at this time? Has your financial advisor ever offered information on education on various IPO opportunities? And would that be of possible interest to you as an alternative wealth strategy both now and into the future? Do you have access to private banking education and information? And does your financial advisor offer monthly, maybe bi-monthly, live conference calls conducting education, giving information on what is truly happening out there within the economy? And if he does have those calls, is your financial advisor offering solutions on how to protect the wealth accumulation that you do have, as well as alternative solutions to continue to grow your wealth no matter what the state of the economy and where the market happens to be at the current time? Now, do you know the percentage that you are paying to your advisor and their team as their commission from your overall portfolio on an annual basis? And do you know if they happen to benefit from any kickbacks made from your portfolio? And finally, how do you feel about doing some, maybe even all of your own trading, or at the very least telling your financial advisor of some of the alternative areas that you might want to start to invest in after you happen to get a little bit of education? Now, my strong suggestion would be for you to give these questions some serious consideration as we move into 2011 and beyond. You know what? They may end up being the best asked questions as you move forward, considering what wealth strategies are going to be best for you and your long-term wealth. I invite you, of course, to come and visit with me. Come and visit with me at least once a week. Even more, I update my blogs at least 3 times a week. All of my information is right here. And as I said before, what are you waiting for? Come and visit with me. It's only education out there. I thank you and have a terrific day.